ever wondered what happens when a simple traffic stop turns into a heart-pounding high-speed chase? In today's video, we're looking at some of the most horrific police chases of all time. Let's dive in. On October 22nd, 2022, at around 4:47 p.m., Officer Hammonds was stationed at the Tontitown Police Department when he noticed a white Nissan Altima with Arkansas's license plate 522NV. After running the plate through his system, it was confirmed that the car had been reported stolen. Officer Hammonds was aware that the Washington County Police had already been in a pursuit of this same vehicle earlier that day. As soon as he spotted the car, he notified dispatch and quickly began chasing the Altima.
Speed 90, coming up to Jones now. Go ahead and contact. Yeah, lower speeds of 100. We're coming up to 64 by Springdale. So they'll help us out. We're coming up to Gene George now, speeds 95. County, they just hit some cars and crashed out. Now they're back on the road. County, we're getting on 49. Getting on 49. We're gonna be headed north on 49, or correction, south on 49.
10-4, copy, you're on 49, in the 10 direction.
The driver, a woman later identified, immediately sped up, fleeing eastbound on Highway 412. The chase reached dangerous speeds of over 90 mph, with the suspect driving recklessly in the turn lane, nearly colliding with another vehicle near Casey's General Store. Despite heavy traffic, the driver weaved in and out of cars, showing no concern for the safety of others. The Altima even struck another car and briefly left the road, but re-entered and continued speeding, reaching over 100 mph while swerving onto the shoulder to pass other cars.
20. Southbound. Where'd you get off at? We're not. We're still on interstate. Just all use passes.
Officer Hammonds made multiple attempts to stop the car, even trying a pit maneuver, but it failed. The chase continued through busy streets, with the suspect swerving into oncoming traffic, cutting through intersections, and almost hitting several vehicles. The pursuit came to an end when the Altima hit a curb and a foam pedestal, disabling the vehicle. Despite the damage, the driver still attempted to flee by flooring the gas pedal. Officer Hammonds forced the car to stop by hitting its side with his patrol vehicle, then approached the suspect and arrested her.
Suspect in custody. Oh, shut this off. Yeah, I worked at 15 one time. What are you doing?
You want an honest answer?
Get up.
Can you grab my shoes?
Pan Ash 112.
The suspect was found with methamphetamine, drug paraphernalia, and a pellet gun inside the car. Her reckless driving and the possession of stolen property violated several laws. Specifically, she committed grand theft auto by stealing the vehicle, which is a violation of Arkansas Code 536-103, making it illegal to take someone's property without permission. Additionally, her dangerous driving put the lives of others at risk, which is a serious traffic offense. In Atkins, Arkansas, the Conway Police Department began pursuing a stolen 2015 black Ford Mustang, but lost sight of it near mile marker 117 on I-40 West. The Arkansas State Police, along with local law enforcement, set up in different locations to intercept the vehicle. A highway police officer spotted it passing mile marker 111, and a state trooper picked up the chase as the Mustang exited onto State Highway 95 in Morrilton. After briefly losing the vehicle, officers re-engaged when the Mustang appeared near Walmart.
Between me and 35 right now.
The dash cam shows the pursuit as the Mustang exited onto State Highway 105, reaching speeds over 120 miles per hour while swerving dangerously. The chase continued onto smaller roads where the suspect repeatedly stopped abruptly, causing minor collisions with the patrol car. Despite this, the pursuit pushed forward.
30, they're coming to you. If you can get up to that intersection, you'll be right in front of them. That's the other side. I'm going to hang out further down. I'm going to here. If I need to turn around, I need to get back the way you're going. 30 to 5 is back behind you. Comment that road.
Near State Highway 326, a fellow officer executed a pit maneuver, causing the suspect to lose control. The suspect, when captured, admitted he kept going because he figured he was going to jail anyway and wanted to enjoy driving the stolen car.
Down the whole road. Without this stop sign, he is. He's surrounded. He's off in the ditch. We got him here on 326. Careful. Stay by the out with him. Careful with him.
suspect was charged with theft of property, reckless driving, and fleeing from law enforcement. He violated Arkansas Code Per 554-125, which makes fleeing in a vehicle a felony when done recklessly and at high speeds. In July 2022, Arkansas State Police were involved in a dangerous pursuit of a 19-year-old driver named John Wilmar. Wilmar, who was reported as suicidal, was driving recklessly and posed a serious threat to other motorists. The chase began after police spotted his black Nissan Altima, which had Kentucky license plates. Despite efforts to stop him, Wilmar continued to drive at high speeds, putting everyone on the road in danger.
Black Nissan Altima, Kentucky tags. They said he's suicidal or something. It's 12 years. King Edward 782. I'm trying to stop him. We just took the 242. We're going south on Newcastle Road. South on Newcastle Road.
As the pursuit continued, officers tried several tactics to safely end it. They deployed spike strips, which are meant to puncture a car's tires, but Wilmar kept evading the police. At one point, speeds reached up to 75 miles per hour as Wilmar sped through different roads, including Newcastle Road and Arkansas Avenue. Finally, the officers decided to perform a Paitee maneuver, a tactic where a police car hits the back of a fleeing vehicle to make it spin out and stop.
Secondary 31's the 3rd unit. We're coming through Polk now. If y'all can get some spikes out. Go ahead, 13. Okay, 13's primary, I'm secondary, 31's the 3rd unit.
County City, be advised, put it in 2013, Bucky from Olson, put in Kentucky tag, King Edward 782, King 782.
Here, coming in across now. Started 10-16, started 10-16. Driver!
There's a big bus that police is running 91 and he rolled over. Contract, the 260. Rolled over at the county line.
Driver!
Copy. We need a
I just told him to put him on the tire.
Standing out there, just trying to make contact with the subject. Should have power one shut down 460. If you cannot see him, you cannot see his hands, so watch that power.
Do D4 ejected. Clear it. Hang on, we're gonna clear this car first.
218, are you gonna be out there with us?
Yeah, I'm listening to state frequency. I got 218 in the vehicle with me. I'm heading that way.
The PAT maneuver caused Wilmar's car to lose control and crash into a culvert, flipping over in the process. The force of the crash ejected Wilmar from the vehicle, leaving him with critical injuries. Even though emergency responders found a faint pulse and a helicopter was dispatched, it was too late. Wilmar tragically died from his injuries at the scene. After checking the car, officers found a car seat, but no child was involved in the incident. John Wilmar violated Arkansas law under Arkansas Code Paragraph 5 to 60, 120, reckless driving, and Paragraph 5 to 54, 125, fleeing from law enforcement. Unfortunately, in this case, Wilmar's actions led to a tragic outcome. Those were some of the most intense chases ever caught on camera. It's clear that running from the law never ends well. If you enjoyed these wild pursuits, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more action-packed moments. We'll see you in the next video.